All right, y'all, we're back with another video. We're making it short and sweet. We got the M2 out and about on the back roads, and we are about to go hit some back roads and some highways with a 1000cc motorcycle, bro. You guys aren't even ready. I forget what the bike is called because I'm not familiar with bikes, but we're about to go link up with homie. His name is Tyler. Y'all just stay tuned, and yeah, I'll go ahead and show you guys a nice surrounding area. But yeah, as you guys can see, we got the nice, beautiful M2 out and about today. I just put the lip back on because after our Montreal trip, it was fucked. Be ready for a Montreal video because I am going to be dropping that soon. I've been editing it, but I think I'm going to go ahead and throw this video up first. We got the All-Star Shadow Boxer over there. Okay, and the Gooner. For those of you who are new to the channel, I'm just lowered on Evolve lowering springs. I'm on spacers, have a spoiler, single mid-pipe exhaust, and front lip, and that's it. It's not tuned or anything. Here's the I'll show you guys the engine bay. Interior's nice, it's stock as fuck. I just have the seats down. I do have a rear seat delete on the way, so you guys just stay tuned for that. Now this is what the motor's looking like. Looks fucking amazing. It's an S58, so it's an inline 6 twin turbo. It's a 3-liter, so it's a little bit of a big straight 6, to be honest with you. So with that being said, let's hop right up into this video. All right, y'all, we're on the GoPro. We're behind Tyler, and we're gonna go get into it, man. Yeah, on the other side though, there's a cop waiting. Oh. Right when we get on the highway, yeah.
Yeah, fuck. I saw that. I was going like 170.
Yo. All right, we take her right here. You following me? All right, bet. It's no match for that fucking car. Oh my gosh. Holy shit. Dude, that thing is insane, bro. Damn, you hear the shift on that thing? Sounds like the M2.
Stretching and shit.
Yeah, I can't. Do you think that's a comfortable bike in the scheme of bikes?
I don't know.
I'm always behind you, brother. Those Brembos are sick, dog.
Nah, he's can do anything, bro.
Not for real. That thing is so fast. It's insane how fast that car is. I mean, that bike is. We topped out. Did it run out of gas? What the fuck? Oh, this road is so good. Oh yeah. Oh, you hear the M2? Shit pop loud. to get you like a bar to hold on to right here. Oh my god. Yo, dude, if I was leading, they would have all gotten run over.
Yeah,
like so badly. He's pretty fast on the back roads. Wonder how much he's pushing it though.
Bro, he's probably just like hitting it once.